In standard settings, turbo function will kick in when you lose more than 40 degrees from set temperature. But if you want to reduce this so the turbo function kicks in earlier, you can do this by holding top, bottom heat, and plus and minus temperature together for 4 seconds. Now you get to the parameter list and you press plus until you come to parameter 18, and this is 40 degrees from set. So now I want to reduce this. Press the front heat button and reduce this to whatever you want. Let's put it at 15 and release, and wait for a moment, and the oven will return. From service menu, now the turbo function will kick in at just 15 degrees under set temperature.